Farmer John, Sustainable Seed Company. What I'm showing you right now are some sweet peas that I planted in a hanging basket. Now, people think they have to plant sweet peas along a fence, and I really believe people get way too caught up in the complexity of gardening. And gardening is so simple. It's so easy. You can see I put some old hose knobs up here on the wall because that's just too much fun. And the chickens are talking in the background. But anyway, you can see these are sweet peas. They're not in bloom yet. They're going to bloom in probably another week or two. But in a hanging basket, it's simple. It's easy. Don't get too complicated. Enjoy life and enjoy gardening. I'll talk to you next time.